Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we are chilling out at home and we are freaking hungry. So, what a great time to try out another test on the Ninja Speedi. So, I've got a bag of sweet potato fries here and we are going to see what does better. The air fryer function on the Ninja Speedi or just a normal good old air fryer. So I did find directions on their website. So preheat the air fryer to 360 degrees and then cook for 14 to 16 minutes. So we'll get this on 360. I'm gonna turn them like all the way up on the time right now. I can change it in a second, or no. I said 16 minutes, right? I can't decide what I'm doing here. 16. Let's throw the fries in and get cooking. Okie dokie, so we've got the Ninja Speedi here. Just loaded them in. Now we are going to, oh, it's already on air fry. So we are starting that. Then we've got our just regular Gourmia or Gourmia. And I didn't start it right away, so it got a little mixed up. So we have both of those started. Now I've already realized an issue. So on the Alexia sweet potato bag, the actual website, it says to halfway through shake the basket. It literally says slide out the basket and shake. Well, clearly you cannot just take the Ninja Speedi and shake it. So I guess maybe I'll just use some tongs to like pick them up and drop them around. But we will check on them halfway through. Okie dokie. So our timer just went off. Now one thing to note, the Ninja Speedi, you just heard it like stop. It is super way louder than a normal one. So like I said, the directions said to shake it up. Obviously we can't do that. So we are just gonna flippity flop them around. It's interesting, some of them look like they're super soggy still, but others are like really crunchy already. Now for the normal air fryer, we're gonna do what everybody loves. And that's just give it a shake. Now I can notice that my fries are kind of sticking. What the hey? The directions did not say anything about needing spray cooking oil, which I don't have anyways, but... So right away, I can tell that the ones in the Ninja are already significantly crispier, but we will let them finish cooking for the remainder of the time. Then we'll see which one is crispier, and then, because me and Zena are feeling crazy, we'll top them with some cheese and some seasoning and get the cheese all melty and bubbly. Zena is already bored though. She is taking a nap over here in her banana bed. Now one thing I am noticing, which is super strange, the Ninja says it has 2 minutes and 24 seconds left. The Gourmia says it still has 5 minutes left. I didn't think that it was over 2.5 minutes difference from when I started the Ninja and when I started the Gourmet. So either I'm totally crazy or one of their timers is a little bit wrong. So I guess we will just keep a cooking them. So the Ninja just finished and the Gourmet still has 2 minutes. Like I said, I didn't think that there was that big of a time gap, but let's open this up and see. Ooh, they look so tasty. Still kind of unevenly crisped. Like this one is still sogalicious, but this one is hella crunch. So it seems like it's kind of an uneven cooking experience. But let's try one while we wait. Really? Really, tongs? Really? And let's grab a little plate to pile these up on. Like this new, crazy, beautiful Temu plate. I literally did a live stream on this. You guys, I am obsessed. Partially just because I'm obsessed with plates in general, but I mean, look at how bougie that looks. Okay, this, you can see that it is not crispy at all. It is soggy woggy. So, some of them are very crispy, some of them are still super soggy. Not really sure what went on there, but this means that this is done once it beeps at me. Do, 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 do. Okie dokie. Give them a good shaky shake. And they look slightly more evenly crisp. Like, I wouldn't call them crispy because none of them really look crispy. But they're more like evenly cooked, if that makes sense. Like, more of them look the same to each other, but they still don't look crispy to me. Let's try this out. Maybe this experiment is a flop. Yeah, still soggalicious. So, I don't know. Maybe it's the French fries' fault. Like I said, this one is more evenly cooked, but it's not crispy. And this is very unevenly cooked. Some super soggy, some super crispy. So, I think no matter what, just so these are a little bit more edible, I am going to cook them a little bit longer. And I did also just realize I can't go to 370 on the Speedi on air fry. It makes me go to 375. But I'm going to cook them both for 5 minutes longer. Then we'll see which one is more evenly crisped. And then we'll add the cheese and seasoning. Okie dokie. Let's open them up. And they're all crispy now, but it's still a little uneven. And this one, they're much more evenly cooked, but they still don't look super crisp. But maybe that's just my eye playing a trick on me. Overall, these are more evenly cooked than these. And it annoys me that you can't put it on 370. So, actually it is kind of crispy. It just looks like it's a little soggy. But, let's top them with cheese. Okie dokie. So there is the Ninja Speedi. And there is the just regular normal air fryer. Cleanup, I already know. I mean, the base, they're both going to have cheese on them. But depending on how smart I am about taking this out, if I don't get any cheese on the basket part, then they'll be pretty equal on cleanup. Overall, the Speedi, it did get crispier. That is, however, because you couldn't put it just on 370. You had to put it on 375. And it's more unevenly cooked. The normal air fryer is more of an even level of crispiness across all of the fries. But let's get these plated up and eat. These are crazy, 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 crazy good. And we did just drizzle on some of this Noble Made carrot ginger dressing. Super, super tasty. And the seasoning we put on them is by Code 3 Spices. They support like law enforcement and stuff. This seasoning is really good, especially mixed with that dressing. These definitely turned out tasty. Me and Xena Cannot wait to eat them. Do you want these? Do you want some French fries? Do you want some French fries? Overall, I'm pretty surprised, but I'm actually going to say the good old air fryer won. If you were just thinking about this overall, sound, this one is way quieter than the Ninja Speedi. Now, on the crispiness department, the Ninja, certain fries got crispy, but it was unevenly crispy. The Gourmia, by the end of it, they were all evenly crisped. So overall crispiness, Gourmia wins too. Now, temperature functionality, the Gourmia wins. I don't know why. I don't know if you're supposed to be able to, but it goes from 360 to 375 to 390. You can't do other stuff, other degrees, cooking temperatures when you're on air fry, which I didn't like. And for cleaning wise, they're both going to be exactly the same. I mean, nobody really likes cleaning the grates of air fryers, but they're both dishwasher safe. So overall, like I said, I'm surprised, but the good old air fryer won. Does that mean I don't love my Ninja? No. The Speedi meal function on this thing is freaking killer. If you liked this little video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Definitely taste it, but test out your kitchen appliances at home too. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.